guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing. First I'm going to be unboxing the Skull Candy. Skull Candy, more power in your pocket. It is the Fat Stash 2. So this is a portable battery pack. See? So let's go. Okay, so I'm going to be unboxing this. You can see it here, and this is a back. So let's open it up. The case here. Okay, so let me read more on the box. So on the box it says USB cable, a micro, USB-A to micro, USB-C charger cable, charging cable, that's in Spanish, hours total battery, 4th battery life, percentage display, soft touch finish. Okay, so this is pretty cool. This side have the Skull Candy thing, but it's not rough like everything else. So let's open this part. This is just like a clear hard plastic. Here it is, guys. This is the back here. I need to figure. Oh, let's push up the back. Ooh, look at that. So this is a charging pack. You can see. So here you can see 3 different charging ports there. 3 different ones. Right here you can see the Skull Candy skull here. It's pretty nice. Okay. And then on this side have like a little knob, and when you press the knob, this comes on. I hope you guys can see. $74. I guess that is how much charge it have, or how much it have to charge something else. But it feels really nice, so it feels so nice. I can't believe Skull Candy is bringing out all of these things, which is so cool. Then this, it have all of the information, user guide, Fat Stash 2. So I already showed you the power on and off button, which was the yellow button to the side. Obviously you charge it up to 100. The screen where I was showing you where it said 74, that's supposed to charge to 100 and then you use it. Check power level by pressing the knob to the side. Charging the battery pack. Anyway, so this is all the information to the side here. Wow, that paper is actually longer. 1 year warranty. Again, the warranty is very tiny again. Instructions pertaining to risk of fire or injury. Persons and important information. Okay. So obviously not all is in English, some is in different language, but we won't go into that right now. Yeah, so this is the information here. That there, and then this is the charger. See, the same thing I said, why don't they put like the head to like what you would get with a phone to charge on the walls? Why do they always put like this, so then you have to hook it up to an actual laptop or something to charge? That's what I don't understand. This is pretty cool because it has two different chargers here. If you watch it, so cool. And then on the skull candy here, you can actually see the skull there, saying skull candy. It is pretty cool, guys, pretty cool. So let's try this here. Ooh, nice. It's on 74 right now. It's kind of hard to pull out though. Maybe it's because it's new. This is for like, ooh, okay, so you plug it on like this. Let me try hooking up the phone. Okay, so I plug it on like that, and let's try hooking it up to the phone. Let's see, this one is for the phone. See, the phone is charging. That is so cool. Okay, let me take it out now. Okay, so it works pretty well. So yeah, I guess that's it for this. Let me turn it off now. Okay, it's off. Because it's new, it's hard to like take out the cords and everything, but pretty nice and smooth and comfortable in your hand as well. Okay, so I'm going to put this back. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. I know this one is short, but it was pretty quick and it's straightforward. It's just a charging pack. Yeah. So I think later I will plug it on and charge it up to 100 so that it will be ready to go for whenever we need to use it. So that's this. There you go. So I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is a really great charging pack. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Peace.